Okay, hello everyone. So now let's look at our question 38. So we have three consecutive natural numbers and which are multiplies of 5, 7, and 9. And we need to find out the smallest possible value of these three numbers. So firstly, let's write it down these three numbers. So it should be a plus 1, and a plus 2. After reading the question, we know, a should be exactly divided by 5, right? Which means a mod 5, the remainder should be 0. Now let's look at a plus 1, which means a plus 1 mod 7, the remainder still is 0. So how about a? So which means a mod 7, the remainder should be 6. And use the same method, we can find out if a mod 9, the remainder should be 7. Now, let's find out the first condition and the second condition. A mod 5, the remainder is 0, and a mod 7, the remainder is 6. You find out the smallest possible answer, it should be 20. And plus the LCM of 5 and 7, which is 35. So we can write down all the number, which means this condition should be 20 plus 35n. Now let's look at this 20 plus 35n. So 20 plus 35n, we should meet the third condition, which means the a mod 9, the remainder should be 7, which means 20 plus 35n mod 9, the remainder should be 7. So let's find out this number. So firstly, let's look at 20. So we can see 20 mod 9, the remainder should be what? Because 2 times 9 equals to 18, so the remainder should be 2. So 7 minus 2, the remainder should be 5, which means 35n mod 9, the remainder should be 5. Now let's find out, which means because 27n mod 9, the remainder is 0, because 27n can exactly divide by 9. So we only need to consider 8 and mod 9 equals to 5. We need to find out the smallest n which meets this requirement. After that, you can find out n is just 4. And n equals to 4. Put n equals to 4 into the formula 20 plus 35n. You can find out the correct answer. A is just 160. So this kind of three number is 160, 161, and 162. So this is the general method you can use in this kind of question. And sometimes also you can have a try. You try it one by one. You find out the last digit, which can is the multiply of 5 is 0 or 1. So the consecutive number, which means the next number should be 6 and 1. So who times 7, the last digit can be 1 or 6, maybe some 3 and some 8. And you compare. After that, you list all the things. And maybe you find out, if it's 33 times 7, you can also find out the answer which meets these requirements.